There's a new face of inequality, and it's apparently Russell Brand holding an anti-Wall Street rally. These are live pictures. He's on the steps of Federal Hall, which anybody around here knows is just right across the street pretty much from the New York Stock Exchange. He was speaking to the crowd earlier. It looks like now it's mostly posing for pictures. This on a day, Larry, in which we found out, thanks to our Robert Frank, global wealth has surged 20% above its prior pre-crisis peak in 2007, jumping $20 trillion. And there is attention afresh, spurred by the Russell Brands of the world, perhaps, on the situation that he decries as capitalism not working.
Well, the far left has always taken this point of view, and this guy Brand is doing that. Look, wealth creation is a good thing, not a bad thing. It's essential to free market capitalism. Wealth creation provides the seed corn for investments, for productivity. And let me make this point. Wealth creation and corporate expansion helps the wage-earning worker. That's what the research shows, more than the shareholder. You cut the corporate tax, wage earner is the guy who's the winner. So why are we railing against wealth creation?
Well, that's the question we should have just asked a couple of the executives we had on, Sharon.
Especially when you're a wealthy comedian, or if you are a wealthy comedian, why are you, but I think a lot of people are just, if he's representing people who are feeling pain, they're feeling pain because they are not making the incomes that they had. They've lost their jobs. They're concerned about how they're going to be able to continue to spend. We're going to talk about more about this later, but it's an interesting icon to have represent this kind of issue when it's someone who's a wealthy entertainer.
Taxing rich people does not help the non-rich people. Can I just say that?
Can I just make you stop there?
So point.
It is, and we need to discuss it more fully.
That's why. This dope probably has no economic training whatsoever.
Well, he might argue that's a qualification. All right, listen, we got to leave it there for now. We're going to see if anything else happens outside. We'll keep you posted.